she just let it slip. Now you're staring at the fruit hanging low to the ground, waiting for a sweetness that's never gonna be found. Bees already moved to a newer vine. Jungle learned it didn't need a sign. I've watched it happen from branch to shade. You're the only one still calling her name. Hey monkey, it's already over. Hey monkey, truth gets colder. Birds went silent when she came around. Hey monkey, fruit hit the ground. Hey monkey, nobody waited, no more debating. Monkey sees but won't let go. Monkey holds what doesn't grow. Hey, 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 ooh. Hey monkey, she never stayed too long, just enough to make it feel like a song. One last grip, then she's gone again, leaving echoes where she had been. You call it timing, call it wrong place, but she was already gone from that space. Fruit don't wait for hands that stall, it falls when it's ready to fall. A branch bends till it starts to break. Not every loss is a mistake. I felt that snap, I felt that strain, but the jungle never calls her name. Hey monkey, it's already over. Hey monkey, truth gets colder. Birds went silent when she came around. Hey monkey, fruit hit the ground. Hey monkey, nobody's waiting, no more debating. Monkey sees but won't let go. Monkey holds what doesn't grow. She's not lost, she knows exactly where she lands, on worn out bark in unfamiliar hands. The fruit didn't fall because the season went wrong. It fell because it wasn't holding on. She swings light, she travels fast, leaving just enough to make you think it lasts. But the jungle sees what you refuse to see. Same girl, different tree. Hey monkey, it's already over. Hey monkey, truth gets colder. Birds went silent when she came around. Hey monkey, fruit hit the ground. Hey monkey, nobody's waiting. Why can't you believe it? Monkey sees but won't let go. Monkey holds what doesn't grow. Hey monkey, the branch is still shaking, but she's already gone. You're still reaching for the place where she used to hang on. Yeah, just let it go.